Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing the characters of class Amphibia. Amphibia is characterized by habitat. Habitat in Amphibia consists of terrestrial as well as aquatic. In the terrestrial we have toad, and in aquatic we have Proteus, that is common name is blind salamander. The important note here is no amphibian is marine, and the reason behind this is they have to prevent death due to exoosmosis as their skin is thin and respiratory. Second, body division. The amphibian's body are divided into three parts: head, trunk, tail. Example, salamandra. Next, body appendages. The amphibians are tetrapods, so generally they have two pairs of pentadactyl limbs, so the limbs are secondary lost in the member of subclass Apoda, or limbs are equally sized in urodeles. The digits are generally have no nails, claws or hoofs except African toad. In some cases, webs are present between the digits. Next come to skin. The skin in amphibian is poorly keratinized, very thin, moist, smooth and highly vascular respiratory in nature. Generally the skin has multicellular mucus and poisonous gland. Next come to exoskeleton. In general, the amphibian doesn't contain any exoskeleton, so they have no exoskeleton in case of amphibians. The dermal scales are embedded in the skin. Endoskeleton is mostly bony in case of amphibians. Skull is dicondylic and the jaw expansion is autostylic. That means lower jaw by its auricular part is subtended from the quadrate bone of upper jaw. First vertebra of vertebra column is called atlas, that supported the head, but there is no axis, so these cannot rotate their head. These have single sacral vertebra. Vertebra may be procellus, amphicoelous, opisthocoelous, or we can say acoelous. Next come to coelom. Coelom in case of amphibian is entocerals, and coelom is divided into two unequal parts. First, anterior small pericardial cavity around the heart, and posterior large pleuroperitoneal cavity surrounding the visceral organ. Kidneys are extracoelomic in nature. Next character comes to digestive system. Mouth is usually wide due to their carnivorous diet, that is animal eating, and it is bounded by immovable lips of skin folds. Teeth are homodont, acrodont and polyhyphodont. These are present on upper jaw or both the jaw. Buccal cavity is roofed by primary palate and has internal layers. Tongue may be protusible and interiorly fixed in anurans, while it is non-protusible in urodeles, or we can say it is absent in aglossal anurans. Esophagus is very small size due to the absence of neck. Alimentary canal open out by a cloacal aperture. Then comes to respiratory system. Most of the amphibians have variety of respiratory organ like skin, gill, lungs, lining of buccopharyngeal cavity, etc. Out of these, the cutaneous respiration, that means the respiration through skin, is most common type of respiration found in amphibians. Gills that helps in branchial respiration are the main respiratory organ in the larval forms. Gills are retained even in some adult amphibians, like example Necturus, but in majority of amphibians the gills are lost during metamorphosis. Circulatory system in amphibian is three-chambered heart that contains two auricle and one ventricle through both accessory chambers called sinus venosus and conus arteriosus. Conus arteriosus are fused with ventral aorta to form truncan arteriosus. The heart shows double circulation due to the presence of spiral valve and two pairs of semilunar valve in truncan arteriosus. Aortic arches are 1 to 3 pairs and are symmetrical. Both renal and hepatic portal system are well developed. RBCs are oval, biconvex and nucleated. The nervous system next come to cerebrum have been demarcated into two cerebral hemispheres by a median cerebrum fissure. Cerebral cortex has been divided into cerebral hemisphere. Olfactory lobes and cerebrum are small size due to less dependency of amphibian on smell and equilibrium. Brain is covered by two meningeal membrane, inner paracarotid and outer dura mater. These have 10 pairs of cranial nerves and 1 pair of zero nerves. Sense organ in case of amphibian is olfactory sacs that are small sized, open in the roof of buccal cavity. Eyes is protected by a movable eyelids and tear glands. The cornea is bulging outwards. Size of pupil is changeable due to presence of iridial muscle, but there is no accommodation occur in the amphibian eye as ciliary muscles are absent. Ear is formed of only internal and middle ear. There is no external ear, and middle ear has only one auditory ossicle that is called columella oris. Lateral line sense organ are present in the larva and aquatic forms of the adults. Excretory system. Adult amphibians generally have ophistonephric kidney and urotelic excretion, which their young ones generally have pronephric kidneys. Kidneys have persistent nephrostomes, and the urinary bladder is present to temporarily store large amount of urine. That means the urinary bladder are present here for the storage of urine. Next character is reproductive system and development. Gonads and gonoducts are paired. Gonoducts open in cloaca. Fertilization in amphibian is external, or we can say it is internal also. Female is generally oviparous and eggs generally mesolecithal. Mesolecithal means that the moderate amount of yolk is present in them and surrounded by a gelatinous coat. The cleavage is holoblastic and unequal. Development take place in water, so the embryonic membrane are not formed so as in case of anemniota. Development generally includes a fish-like larval stage, so the development in case of amphibians we can say is indirect. Larva is undergo metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means that larva is changing into adult. Body temperature. The body temperature in case of amphibian is poikilothermal animals. That means that they are cold-blooded animal. So terrestrial forms hibernate in winter and estivate in summer. That's all for the characters of amphibian. Let us take a quick unique features of class Amphibia. The respiratory skin are present, no exoskeleton, 2 pairs of pentadactyl limbs, more than 1 pair of respiratory organ are present. The heart is 3-chambered. Excretion is through urotelic excretion. Fish-like larval stage is present in the development. Thank you. I hope you like the video.